where mountains embrace the clouds. A timeless adventure begins. 5 days, immersing cultures. Riding through it all on a motorbike. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Vietnam.
I'm Seamus from Style Motorbikes. We have different options available. Half-day tours, one-day tours, we have multi-day tours which can be 3-day, 4-day, 5-day, 6-day. All of our tours, it includes your accommodation, includes your food, includes a guide, all the admission fees. We have the self-drive tours. If you have your international driving permit, if you're travelling with a partner and they're not comfortable to drive, they can very easily hop on the back of you. If you're not comfortable on a motorbike, we have Easy Rider. We also offer open top Jeep tours. These are modern Jeeps. They're very comfortable. We've put our own frame inside them, custom frame. This way you can stand up, it's padded, and you get full 360-degree views. And it's a canvas roof. We can roll the roof back over and cover you. New option that we have is our new hybrid option. We've taken a 16-seat minivan. We're able to push maximum of 3 motorbikes in there. If you're driving in the winter, it starts to get cold, you don't want to drive for some bit, very easy, you push the motorbike in. There's still 4 seats available inside. It gives you the flexibility of riding the sections that you want to ride, and then if you get too tired, you can just hop in the van as well.
Style Motorbikes opens the doors to an authentic Ha Giang Loop. Preserved villages, artisans with ancestral know-how, and viewpoints that maps have forgotten. This is not a simple trip. It's an adventure in the heart of Vietnam.